my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to unbox and also review a new sustainable product that I have just found, and I'm really excited about it. They kindly sent me 3 products from their collection, and I thought I should bring it on here and share my first thoughts about them with you. So these are sustainable period pants, and if you've never tried a sustainable period pant, I've got loads of videos about it. I'm hoping this video will be helpful to you on your period pant journey, and of course if you are also interested in period cups as well, I've got a few videos about period cups. So I've got 3 boxes of the one period pants. For this video I'm going to unbox 2 of them and also review the 3rd one that I've tried. So on here it says this cycle just got better, and the name of the brand is One. I've heard someone say Ohne, and then another person was like, I'm Ohne, 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 Ohne. Anyway, the name of the brand is One, and when you open it, it says, "Hi, we are One. Welcome to the Cycle Care Club." And on here it says that this product is all natural, full cycle support, and One Babe community. Cycle care means nurturing your body's needs so you can feel your best throughout your entire cycle, every cycle. So that's what's on the box. I've got this lovely vibrant orange color, and this one is the Peach Fizz, and I also have this gorgeous color as well. This is a lilac color. The pants come in this gorgeous mesh bag, and the mesh bag is made from recycled bottles, so that's good. This brand is all about sustainability, and I absolutely love that about the brand. So this one is the third mesh bag that I have, but the pant is super soft. It's nice and soft. Honestly, this is the softest period pants I have. I've got a few period pants, but this one is brilliant. This is the best one in terms of the softness. I absolutely love how it feels on my skin. It's nice and comfortable. It doesn't tug me tightly in any areas at all. It's so comfy and it's breathable. So yeah, as you can see from this one, you can see where the pad starts from. So the pad starts from here, from just here, and it stops at the back somewhere here. Okay, as you can see. So this is something that I would love for all the brands that sell period pants, sustainable period pants, to do. I would love them to try as much as possible to raise the padding up a bit. Yes, I would love the pad to start from the top and then end at the top at the back as well, because this is not a pad. So I think most of these brands, they feel like everyone is used to the pad style, like the disposable pads. Yeah, so they've got this idea that the pants should also come in that disposable pad style, but I feel like that is outdated and brands need to move forward. And this is something I like about Waka. Like the Waka super heavy period pants is my favorite period pants ever. Yes, I cannot lie. The Waka super heavy period pants is one of my favorite pants ever, and the reason why I love it so much is because the padding goes up to the top. I haven't seen that in any other period pants, because basically that's the only period pants I've tried in the UK that has the padding up to the top. And it also goes up to the top at the back, so that way you will not be worried about any stains or anything. This could be, you know, a problem if you are on your heaviest period day and you kind of leak. So to avoid leaks, I would highly appreciate it if one can raise the padding up a bit at the front and at the back. When I tried the pants, I did not experience any leak because I used the pants on my moderate to light day, because I knew that, you know, it wasn't going to function on my heaviest days. And I also used the pants with a period cup. My suggestion is, if you're going to wear this pant, you can wear it with a period cup, or you can wear it with a tampon. And the great thing about one is that they've got tampons on their website. If you're looking for tampons, you could go check them out. I haven't tried the tampons. I've only tried, you know, one of the period pants, and I said, you know what, let me get this video to you guys before you know, I just move on from this. But it is recommended for your moderate days, but it depends on how your flow is. This pant can collect up to 15 ml of period blood, or about, you know, 2 tampons worth. If you want to buy this pant, you've got to get a few of them. If you want to wear them on its own without a tampon or a period cup, then you need a few pairs of this pant, because it's not going to last you a very long time. So yeah, so it is breathable, it is super soft. This is the softest. I think the pro of this pant is it is the softest pant that I have tried. Maybe the other brands have, you know, newer models that are soft, but this one is the softest one that I have tried. So this is the lilac one. It's also a very gorgeous color as well. Nice vibrant lilac color. This one is also the same as, you know, the other one. It's also for the moderate flow. Both of them are high waist, so I like my period pants in the high waist style. It is designed in the UK and made in Indonesia. So yeah, this is good. I would love to see this pant in, you know, other flow absorbencies. Like, I would love to see it in the super heavy flow absorbency, in the heavy as well. I would recommend this pant if you are a frequent period cup user, or if you use tampons a lot. This is a good option for you. When it comes to cleaning your period pants, always make sure that you run it under water. Just, you know, squeeze it until all of the blood comes out and then the water runs clear. And when that happens, you can then, you know, fold it up and then pop it back into the mesh bag like this. You can put it back into the mesh bag, close it, and put it in the washing machine. Make sure that you do not tumble dry, and also do not use any fabric softeners. Just only use like detergent, and that's it, to wash it. One gets top marks for this mesh bag. It's such a brilliant addition to the pants. That is it for my video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about one period pants. Have you tried them before? Have you tried any period pants before? What are your thoughts? I would love to hear it in the comments down below. Do not forget to check out the link in my description box. I will be linking all of my videos, my period cup videos and my period pants videos for you guys to check out. And yeah, make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.